Hello, today I'm going to describe a famous sports star. His name is Kobe Bryant.
Let's go, let's go.
Get ready.
Go!
So I'm going to say something about Kobe Bryant, one of the greatest basketball players in 21st century. Kobe started to play basketball at the age of 18 and retired at 38. During his 20-season career in NBA, he made countless achievements for Lakers. He was an 8-time All-Star, 15-time member of the All-NBA team, and the most valuable player of 2008. From a documentary called Kobe Bryant's Muse, I got to know more about this person. Kobe was highly talented, but it was his intelligence made him great. When Kobe was a rookie, he spent most of the time on benches and shot air balls, but he had the desire for a victory. In order to get more playing time, Kobe made a tough training plan for himself. He went to the gym every day and shoot until sunrise. I guess you must have heard a famous sentence by Kobe. Have you seen Los Angeles at 4 a.m.? I say it often because that's the time when I started training. For the young people who were born in the 90s, Kobe is a miracle, a legend, and a mentor. They admire him for his ambition and hard work. His member mentality encouraged many young players and those who like playing basketball. So when the news of his death in a helicopter crash on January 27th broke out, the world was heartbroken and many people mourned for him. But his spirit and passion for basketball stays forever.